Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope that you already by now finished studying lesson 1 and lesson 2 with the revisions regarding those two lessons. If you did so, then you are ready for the quiz. So let us start. In the above word, how many alif letter can you see? 1, 2, or none? In the above two words, is there a letter ba? Have a good look. Yes, no, not sure. Question number 3. In each word, there are two letter ta. Yes, no, not sure. How many letter tha do you see? 1, 2, or 3 times? Question number 5. The letters you see are from right to left: fa, hamza, jim, ra, kha. Is this correct, wrong, or you're not sure? Question number 6. In the above word, you can see 2 alif, 2 lam, an alif and a lam. Question number 7. In these two words, how many noon letter can you see? Are they 3 or 4 or 5? And question number 8. How many lam letter are there in the above words? 4, 5 lam, or 7 lam? Question number 9. What is the letter repeated 3 times in the above words? Is it the alif, kha, or letter jim? Question number 10. Letters from right to left are ذال, ra, ta, ذال, ra, ha, or maybe za, ra, ta. Question number 11. Which letters are repeated twice in the above word? The letter alif and fa, or letter fa, or letter fa and lam? Question number 12. Letters in the above word are za, lam, za, lam, ta. Or are they za, lam, za, alif, ta? Or maybe it is dhal, alif, dhal, alif, ta. Question number 13. Letters in the above word are alif, lam, alif, ba, ra, alif, ra. Or alif, lam, lam, ba, ra, alif, ra. Or alif, lam, alif, noon, ra, alif, ra. Question number 14. Is there a letter ghain in the above word? Yes, no, not sure. Question number 15. There are 3 letters repeated in the above 2 words. The letters are sin, ya, and alif. Is this correct or not? Or I'm not sure. Question number 16. What is the common letter in the above 3 words? None, the letter kaf, or not sure.